Alright guys, I'm just making a quick video of a 2009 Honda Accord. It's got the 4-cylinder. How to replace the starter. I'm not going to go through all the steps. I just wanted to show you what you need to remove to get to it. It's under the intake. This plastic intake manifold has to come out. So you can see I removed the battery. I removed the battery tray. This is the the throttle body. It's just held in with 4 bolts, 4 12mm bolts right there. So you're gonna want to disconnect the air intake and then kind of just tuck this in on the side. Disconnect the throttle body connector. You're gonna have this hose, this vacuum line. Just take that off, and then you'll have a vacuum line right here. Take that off. Disconnect this sensor right here, and then you have this bracket right here. You see, it sits right there. Take that off. It's got a 10mm bolt. So once you get all of this situated, just put that on the side. And then if you go to the bottom, you got this bracket right here. Looks like this. This one is held on the engine block with a 12mm bolt. And then you got 2 12mm nut holding that. Go ahead and take that off. And then you got 2 vacuum lines here. Take them off from this plastic clip. Tuck them in inside. And then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right under there. 12mm bolts and nuts that look like that. Once you get all of those out, the whole intake manifold should just come right out. Be careful with this vacuum line right here. Let's disconnect that. And take this vacuum line out. Okay, take that out. And you got one more vacuum line right there. I think it might be better if we take it off from here. Careful not to break that piece. Okay. Got one more clip right there. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, so you got that vacuum line out. So this whole thing comes out, right? Put that on the side. And there's your starter right there. Right over here. This is pretty simple. Obviously disconnect this piece right here. And then you'll have a think that is 13 millimeter nut. Take this out. Alright, so I went ahead and disconnected this connector right here. Unclip this little plastic clip from that bracket. Disconnect this. Went ahead and disconnected this from here also. It's sitting like that. You got a tab that you push down, pull it out. This is a 17 millimeter bolt. So what I did is like this, and then I used a pry bar to break that bolt loose. And then if you look back here, this is a 14 millimeter. You can use a deep socket. Cut my fingernail. No pain, no gain. Anyway, you can use a deep socket 14 to break that loose. When you're removing that, be careful not to damage this. This is a coolant line right here. So remove those two bolts, and then the starter will come out, and then you can you'll have plenty of room to remove that nut right there. And then before you put the new starter in, go ahead and put this connector first and tighten that bolt, and then you can slide the starter back, because you're not going to have any room for a ratchet to tighten that up. Yeah, that's really about it. If you got any questions, just comment and I'll try to answer it. If this video helps you, click the subscribe button. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.